Hello student, in this session we study the derivative of implicit function. In previous session we studied the chain rule and examples on chain rule. In this session we study the derivative of implicit function. So what is mean by implicit function? So I take one example. If x minus y minus pi is equals to 0, and second example is x plus sine xy minus y is equals to 0. So I take these two examples. So consider one of the following relationship between x and y. So first is x minus y minus pi is equals to 0, and second is x plus sine xy minus y is equals to 0. So in this first case we can also solve for y and rewrite the relationship as y is equals to x minus pi. So we write this case is in the form of y is equal to x minus pi. So in second case it does not seem that there is an easy way to solve for y. So there is no doubt about dependence of y on x, and either of this case, so we can relationship between, so when a relationship between x and y is expressed in the way that it is easy to solve for y. So we write this as y is equals to f of x. So when we prepare this case y is equals to f of x, then we call this as explicit function. Otherwise this is implicit function. For we learn to differentiate implicit function by taking some examples. So first I take one example. Find dy by dx if y plus sin y is equals to cos x. So in this example we differentiate the given function with respect to x. So here y plus sin y is equals to cos x. So we differentiate given function with respect to x, then differentiate with respect to x, then derivative with respect to x, y plus sin y, and derivative with respect to x, cos x. So derivative with respect to x, y, plus derivative with respect to x, sin y, is equal to derivative with respect to x, cos x. So derivative with respect to x, y is dy by dx, plus derivative of sin x. What is the derivative of sin x? So derivative of sin x is cos x, but we want here derivative of sin y. Derivative of sin y is cos y. Derivative of sin y is cos y. But this is not x. This is not x. So we multiply derivative of y with respect to x. This is not x, so we use here chain rule. Is equals to, then derivative of cos x. Cos x is minus sin x. Derivative of cos x is minus sin x. So we write here dy by dx plus dy by dx into cos y is equals to minus sin x. So we take here common dy by dx. Then remaining term is 1 plus cos y is equals to minus sin x. 1 plus cos y is equal to minus sin x. So we find dy by dx is equals to minus sin x divided by 1 plus cos y. So in this way we find the derivative of y with respect to x, that is minus sin x divided by 1 plus cos y. So this form of equation, that is mixed type, variable x or y also present in given equation or given derivative of function. So this is implicit function. So we take next example. second example is 2x plus 3y is equals to sin x. 2x plus 3y is equals to sin x. Differentiate given function with respect to x, then derivative with respect to x. 2x plus 3y, derivative with respect to x, sin x. The derivative of 2x, 2 is constant, we write as it is. Derivative of x with respect to x, derivative of x is 1, plus 3 constant as it is. Derivative of y with respect to x, dy by dx is equal to derivative with respect to x, sin x is cos x. So we get 2 plus 3 dy by dx is equals to cos x. Then 3 into dy by dx is equal to cos x plus 2, we write here minus 2. Then dy by dx is equals to cos x minus 2 divided by 3. So this is dy by dx is equals to, we get dy by dx is equal to cos x minus 2 divided by 3. Next we take second example. Ax plus by square is equals to cos y. Example number 3. Ax plus by square is equals to cos y. So differentiate given function with respect to x. Differentiate given function with respect to x. Derivative with respect to x, ax plus derivative with respect to x, by square is equals to derivative with respect to x, cos y. So here we write constant a as it is, and derivative of x with respect to x is 1, plus b is constant, we write this as it is, and derivative with respect to x, y square. Derivative of y square with respect to x is 2y. Derivative of y square with respect to x is 2y, but this is not x. By using chain rule we write here dy by dx. This is not x, so we write here dy by dx is equals to derivative of cos y is, derivative of cos x is minus sin x, so derivative of cos y is minus sin y, but this is not x, this is not x, this is y, so we multiply here dy by dx. Then we write a plus 2by into dy by dx is equals to minus sin y into dy by dx. So we take this term left side, a plus 2by into dy by dx minus, here become plus sin y into dy by dx is equals to 0. So from this two term we take common dy by dx. We take here dy by dx common, then remaining terms are 2by plus sin y, and this a we write as minus a. Then dy by dx is equals to minus a upon 2by plus sin y. So we get value of dy by dx is equals to minus a divided by 2by plus sin y. Next example is sorry, x square plus xy plus y square is equals to 100. So differentiate following function with respect to x, then derivative with respect to x, x square plus derivative with respect to x, xy plus derivative with respect to x, y square is equal to derivative with respect to x, 100. So derivative with respect to x, x square, derivative of x square is 2x, derivative of x square is 2x, plus here we use product rule, u into v rule. Here we use product rule. First function, that is x as it is, derivative with respect to x, y, plus y as it is, derivative with respect to x, x. So we use here product rule, plus derivative of y square is 2y, derivative of y square is 2y, but this is not x, so multiply dy by dx is equal to derivative of 100 is 0, because 100 is constant, so derivative of 100 is 0. Then 2x we write as it is, plus x, derivative of y with respect to x, dy by dx, plus y into derivative of x with respect to x, 1, plus 2y into dy by dx is equals to 0. So we write first without dy by dx term, that is 2x, and next term is y, and from these two terms we take common dy by dx, plus dy by dx we take common, plus dy by dx, then remaining terms are x, and second is 2y is equals to 0. So we take this plus 2x and plus y on right side, so dy by dx, x plus 2y is equals to minus 2x minus y. So we get dy by dx is equals to dy by dx is equal to minus 2x minus y divided by x plus 2y. So in this way we find the derivative of y with respect to x, that is dy by dx is equals to minus 2x minus y divided by x plus 2y. Next example is example number 5. X into y plus y square is equal to tan x plus y. So differentiate following function with respect to x. So we use here product rule, we write directly product rule. First x as it is, derivative of y with respect to x, plus y as it is, derivative of x with respect to x. So we write here product rule, plus derivative of y square, derivative of y square is 2y, but this is not x, so we multiply here dy by dx is equals to derivative of tan x, derivative of tan x is sec square x, plus derivative of y with respect to x is dy by dx. So we use here product rule, x into y, first as it is derivative of second, plus second as it is derivative of first, and here derivative of y square is 2y, but this is not x, so we multiply here dy by dx is equal to derivative of tan x is x square x, and derivative of y is dy by dx. So we collect dy by dx term one side, so x into dy by dx plus y into derivative of x with respect to x is 1, plus 2 into y dy by dx, here minus dy by dx, we take this term left side, it becomes minus dy by dx is equal to sec square x. So we take common dy by dx from these three terms, dy by dx, then remaining terms are, this is x, then second term is 2y, and last term is minus 1 is equal to sec square x, and this plus y becomes minus y when we take this term on right side. Then we get dy by dx is equals to sec square x minus y divided by, this term is multiplied, when we take right side it becomes divide, x plus 2y minus 1. So in this way we get here derivative of y with respect to x is equal to sec square x minus y divided by x plus 2y minus 1. So in this way we can solve all examples in derivative of the type implicit function. So you solve some examples in exercise 5.3.